Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry for coming like.
Yeah. Good afternoon. So now 20 and 21st problem trial balance. If we are going to complete the things,
Ma'am, your voice is low, ma'am.
my voice is low. Particulars, debit amount and credit amount. Now 20 at problem here, he has not shuffled any kind of activities in the trial balance, but he was saying that after preparing a trial balance he has come across three adjustments, it seems. So that's why he's asking you just go for adjusting them properly. So we are here to adjust that three adjustments in our problem. Now remember, we are going to prepare our trial balance first by recording a journal entries, wherein we split the in the journal entries two parts, one on the debit we say and one we say credit part. Likewise then goes to the ledger postings, wherein every transaction is split into two formats, and in one account one time it will be debit side posted, and in the another account it will be posted with the credit side. So this the way means every transaction it is passing out compulsory with two pass postings, one debit and a credit. So the same thing here also, whatever the adjustments he has given, we are going to go with making it two postings. So how that postings will make, that we are going to see. Now, when he says the first one, invested additional capital of 1 lakh for purchase of a machinery, he said. So when invested capital, further capital means into the business, capital in the form of capital, we are getting a cash of extra 1 lakh, isn't it? So my capital, the capital which was 3 lakhs, now it has been increased to one more lakh extra. So my total capital has become how much now? How much is my total capital now? It's a 4 lakhs. Now, usually the capital, whatever I got it, that capital I use it for the purpose of, in the form of, I'll keep it in the form of cash. But here, what is that fellow doing? That fellow is actually investing in the purchase of a machinery, it seems. Usually the capital means the cash is going to increase. But here, is that cash is increasing? No, he is actually investing in the purchase of a machinery. That means the machinery value which was in the previously 2 lakhs 84, now because we have invested extra 1 lakh, now machinery value has increased to how much now?
Three.
Yeah,
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs 84 change. Likewise, the second adjustment, he said, a debtor cleared his account 20,000 through a check, it seems. A debtor has cleared. Debtor means what? From where, whom I have to get a money. So just check it. Debtor has to pay how much? The total debtors in the trial balance is showed with 38,000. In that, that fellow has paid me 20, it seems. So that means the amount which he is supposed to pay me, now he already paid how much? 20. So what I'll do, as he paid the 20,000, will I add or will minus it? What I'll do, he has to pay me 38. Of that, now he cleared 20. So his due will be increased or decreased?
Decrease.
Yeah, his due will be decreased. So that is one thing. How he has paid me amount, it seems. He paid by check. Means As soon as I received a check, my bank balance is increasing or decreasing. That fellow paid me amount. So my bank balance is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. Yes. And then last adjustment, goods worth 1500 were returned to the supplier. Now supplier means we have only two kind of a people. One is debtor, one is creditor. So supplier goes to which kind of a people, debtor or a creditor? Now simply read the sentence. We have returned the goods to supplier, it seems. Means something I have purchased from that fellow, then only I can return that fellow, no? So that means I have purchased goods with that person. When I purchase, I am owing to him. I'm supposed to pay him some amount. I'm supposed to pay him what? Some amount. So when I have to pay, he is my creditor or he is my debtor. I have to pay annappudu.
Creditor.
Yeah, like that you're going to identify. So what is happening? Creditors total ga 25,000 unte. From that I have given him. I said I did not like your quality or whatever it is. I have returned him 1500. So now I'm supposed to pay total 25 or I'll minus 1500 and I'll give him balance amount.
Minus.
Yeah, minus I'm going to do it. So then where is the next effect we'll do that I'll see. Now first one is capital. So capital in this one, how much extra added we have added? Additional capital we have added 1 lakh.
Lakh.
So it will be how much now? 4 lakh.
4 lakh.
Then drawings. Drawings, did I study anything about it? No. So the posting
No.
is correct. As usual, 13,000 will post it on a debit side.
13,000.
Then machinery. Machinery we have purchased extra. When we purchase extra, what is happening? Add 1 lakh extra machinery. So when we are adding extra machinery, what is happening? My
3
machinery
lakhs.
is, yeah, 3,84,000 it is turning out. Then debtors. Debtors also he has paid me amount, no? So debtor he paid me amount. Paid how much?
20,000.
So previously he was owing me 38, but I have got amount from him 20. So how much is balance from him?
18,000.
Yeah, already వాడు నాకు 20 పే చేసినాడు. సో బ్యాలెన్స్ మాత్రమే రాయాలి. How much still I am supposed to receive? So 38 minus 25 do only 18 he is owing to me అని అర్థం. Then creditors, just now I said creditors. How much worth of goods we returned?
1,500.
Yeah, so when I returned, will I pay amount for that amount? No, na.
No.
So that's why it will be 23,500. Then cash in hand. Did I talk about cash in hand? No.
No.
So the amount will be as it is 10,000 in the account. But bank we spoke. What we received from the debtor?
Check.
Yeah, we received a check. When we received a check, what is happening to my bank balance?
Increases.
Yes.
Decreases.
So previously in the amount, bank amount 25 is there. 25 plus 20 it will be?
45.
Yeah. Next, purchases. What is happening to the purchases? Now purchases from the supplier, I have two effects I have to make, no? Because every transaction has to pass on with the two effects, Nana. So two effects ani annappudu, what we are going to do it? One effect we have shown it, 1,500 worth. Now second effect, I have returned it seems. అంటే ఏవైతే కొన్నానో అవే కదా రిటర్న్ చేస్తాము. అంటే he's talking about purchase returns only na. So the amount which 2 lakhs I have purchased, in that 15 worth of goods have returned back. So will I write same purchases as 2 lakhs or I will be reducing it?
Reducing.
Yes. So worth of goods, same I'll write, returned. So how much it will be now? 1,98,500. If you want, please cross check it. Then is sales. Sales, we didn't speak about any adjustments. So directly as it is, I'm taking 2,90,000. Then general expenses also, we didn't speak about anything. So directly we are going to take that one also. Now see, it has to get tallied. 4,23,500, 2,90,000. I'm getting 7,13,500. 30, 384, 28, 45, 25 and 45. Yeah, both the sides it is tallied. If you want cross check, for me it got tallied. Seven lakhs 13,500 here. 7,13,500 here. Now just see here, ma, how they have done it. Now I was keep on telling, usually every transaction should have one debit and credit effect. Now first one you just see here, 1 lakh, the one effect was on the credit side and one effect was on the debit side. One effect was on the credit side, one effect was on the debit side. So that's why the sign is same. In the capital, we have placed it for 1 lakh and made it as a 4 lakhs. Machinery on debit side, it was 2 lakhs 84. We have added 1 lakh and made it 3 lakhs 84. And see the last adjustment, 1500 worth of goods. Those were returned, it seems. So we have reduced. One was on the credit side, that is creditors. One was in the purchase account, which is on the debit. So they both affected on the opposite side. That's why the sign is same. On both the sides, we have what we have done it. We have used the same sign minus on the both the sides. From creditors of 25,000, I minus the 1500. And from the purchases, which is on the debit side, I have minus the 1500 from 2 lakhs. But whereas the second adjustments, debtors is something different. Debtors, what we have done it, he paid through a check. Debtors is staying on the debit, check is, that is cash at bank is also on the debit. Same side the postings will come. So in such case, when the adjustments comes on the same side, then one should be plus, another should be minus. So that is what, when we said creditors are being paid, so we reduced creditors value to 18,000. And as he paid through check, I showed my bank balance has increased. So I have added. So this is the way we are going to do it. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Take down screenshots. Then we'll move to the last one. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yeah. Now next to 21st problem. 21st problem, he has not given much bigma. It is also very easy. But the only thing is here, unlike adjustments, he has given the things in a wrong posting form. So he is asking you just go for correcting it. Some of the things have been wrongly posted. So he was saying us, you just correct them. So here we are going to do the same thing. We are going to correct the things which have been wrongly posted. So while doing only, we'll discuss and we'll do it. Particulars. Debit amount. In last week, we have done everything in a T format. Today, I'm doing in a statement format. Either the way I said, it is correct. The first one he is giving purchases. Purchases always stands on.
Debit side.
So that fellow has given debit side. He has given correctly 60,000. Then రిజర్వ్ ఫండ్ అంటే మా అక్యూములేటెడ్ ఫండ్ అన్నమాట. సో యూజువలీ విల్ కీప్ every amount from a profits every year will take a little bit and will keep it side as a savings అన్నమాట. సో సంథింగ్ అంటే ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఎలాంటి కష్టం వచ్చినా కూడా మనం బిజినెస్ అనేది దెబ్బతినకుండా విల్ సేఫ్ గార్డ్ దీస్ అమౌంట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కాంబినేషన్ అక్యుములేటెడ్ ప్రాఫిట్ విల్ సే. అక్యుములేటెడ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అంటే ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కొంత దాచిపెట్టి తీసిన అమౌంట్ ఒక లంసమ్ అమౌంట్ అవుతుంది కదా, దట్ థింగ్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అక్యుములేటెడ్. Okay, so profits. So nominal says profits should be on which side?
Debit side, ma'am.
Read out
No,
the,
ma'am, credit.
read out the rule. Nominal rule. Debit.
Credit side, ma'am.
Read out the rule, Ray, first. What I'm asking. What is the nominal rule? Debit all?
Expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains, ma'am.
So incomes and gains ekkada undali appudu?
Credit, ma'am.
Credit. So vaadu tappuga chesadu, so that we are correcting. Next, sales. Sales always comes on
Credit side.
Credit, ma'am.
yeah.
Credit.
This is correctly he has posted. Next, purchase returns. Purchases always stands on debit. So
Debit.
returns should be always on
Debit.
purchases always stands on debit. So dani returns anedi opposite side undali, that is credit. Then sales returns. Sales always stands on
Credit. Debit, ma'am.
so dani returns
Credit.
Debit, ma'am.
Credit.
dani returns ekkada undali? Sales returns
Debit, ma'am.
minus nana. Returns ante minus, so opposite lo undali, debit. Next, opening stock. Opening stock either the way you take. అది ప్లస్ అది అసెట్ అయినా తీసుకోండి, ఎక్స్పెన్స్ అయినా తీసుకోండి. అసెట్ తీసుకున్నా ఎక్స్పెన్స్ తీసుకున్నా ఒకటే సైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఏ సైడ్ అది?
Debit, ma'am.
యా, డెబిట్ సైడ్. సో హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ ది అమౌంట్? 30,000 కదా. Then closing stock will not take, Nana. Closing stock will not come here. ఏదన్నా ఒకటే స్టాక్, ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ లేకపోతేనే closing stock will come in the trial balance. But if opening stock is there, closing stock should not be posted into the trial balance. Remember this one. Two stocks cannot be in one trial balance. That's why we'll leave it. Then next one we'll take. What is the next one? Expenses. Expenses should come on which side?
Debit side, ma'am.
So how much? 20,000 kada. Then outstanding expenses. Ma, outstanding expenses means what? It's not yet paid, but still we promise to pay it. It's not yet paid, but still I'm promising to pay. It's a promise to pay ane ardham. It's a promise to pay. So that means nenu appu unnatte kada. It's a kind of a loan. So loan, L for loan, L for liability. L for loan, L for
Liability.
so where will come liability?
Credit side, ma'am.
Yeah. So outstandings will come on which side, ma? Credit side.
Credit.
Next. Bank balance. Balance is an
Debit
asset.
side.
Yeah, debit side. How much? 5,000. No? Next. Assets. Assets will come on which side?
Debit side, ma'am.
Yeah, debit side. How much? 50,000. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Creditors.
So debtors also comes on which side?
Debit side only, ma'am.
Yeah, but that fellow has posted wrongly as credit. So మనం దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ చేసాం. Then credit as
Credit side, ma'am.
yeah, అది కరెక్ట్ గానే పోస్ట్ చేశాడు as 30,000. Then
Debit.
Capital.
capital will be on the
Credit side, ma'am.
credit side because capital is a liability. It will be on the credit side. Okay, done. So suspense account. Suspense account, why we have got it? Because the postings were wrong in the sum. That is the reason somehow we have to close and we have to proceed. Because if I have to go for the further activity means compulsory I have to close the trial balance. So I have to close the trial balance means if anywhere my trial balance is not getting adjusted or cannot be tallied, అలాంటి situation లో ఎక్కడైతే తక్కువ వస్తుందో పెద్ద టోటల్ ఏది ఉంటుందో అది బోత్ సైడ్స్ మనం వేసేసి ఎక్కడైతే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది దాన్ని మనం సస్పెన్స్ అకౌంట్ కి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే బై మిస్టేక్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో దాన్ని ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేసినప్పుడు వీ కెన్ ఎలిమినేట్ ద సస్పెన్స్ అకౌంట్ అనేసి క్రియేట్ చేసి పెడతారు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆ సస్పెన్స్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాము. మనం ఏం చేసాము, వాడు ఏవైతే రాంగ్ పోస్టింగ్స్ అన్ని చేశాడో అవన్నిటిని మనం కరెక్ట్ చేసాం. డిడ్ వి డూ ఇట్ రైట్ ఆర్ నాట్? So once I have done a right postings, now just see the suspense account automatically gets disappeared. If you want, please count it. The totals will be tallied. If you want, please see. The totals get automatically tallied. Did it got tallied or not?
Yes, ma'am.
సో మరి క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ ని ఇక్కడ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ అయితే సస్పెన్స్ కాదు కదా. సో క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ యాజ్ ఆన్ ఇయర్ ఎండ్ అనేసి మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటాం నాన్న. జస్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు షో ఇట్ ఇన్ ద అవుట్ ద కాలమ్. సమ్వేర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు షో ఇట్ యాజ్ అ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే? ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, that's it. One second, let me take attendance.